English Practice Present Continuous Tense Challenge Part 1. Question number 1. Please be quiet. The baby blah 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 right now. A. Sleep. B. Sleeps. C. Is sleeping. D. Sleeping. The answer is C. Sleeping. Please be quiet. The baby is sleeping right now. Explanation: right now shows the action is happening at the moment. The baby is singular, so use is plus verb ing. Correct sentence: the baby is sleeping. Question number 2. Look, the birds blah 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 high in the sky. A. Fly. B. Are flying. C. Is flying. D. Flying. The answer is B. Are flying. Look, the birds are flying high in the sky. Explanation: look indicates an action happening now. The birds is plural, so use are plus verb ing. Correct sentence: the birds are flying. Question number 3. I blah 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 for my English test at the moment. A. Am studying. B. Is studying. C. Studying. D. Studying. The answer is A. Am studying. I am studying for my English test at the moment. Explanation: at the moment signals ongoing action. I pairs with am plus verb ing. Correct sentence: I am studying. Question number 4. Why blah 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 you blah 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 your raincoat? It isn't raining. A. Do and wear. B. Are and wearing. C. Is and wearing. D. Did and wear. The answer is B. Are and wearing. Why are you wearing your raincoat? It isn't raining. Explanation: present continuous questions starts with the be verb before the subject. You pairs with are and the verb takes in. Correct. Why are you wearing your raincoat? Question number 5. Listen. Someone blah 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 the piano beautifully upstairs. A. Plays. B. Is playing. C. Playing. D. Are playing. The answer is B. Is playing. Listen. Someone is playing the piano beautifully upstairs. Explanation: listen indicates an action happening now. Someone is singular, so use is plus verb ing. Question number 6. My parents blah 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 TV in the living room. They are sleeping in their bedroom. A. Aren't watching. B. Isn't watching. C. Don't watch. D. Not watching. The answer is A. Aren't watching. My parents aren't watching TV in the living room. They are sleeping in their bedroom. Explanation. Negative form uses are plus not aren't plus verb ing. My parents is plural, so aren't watching is correct. Question number 7. Where is Andy? He blah 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 his father cleaned the car in the backyard. A. Are help. B. Helps. C. Is helping. D. Helping. The answer is C. Is helping. Where is Andy? He is helping his father clean the car in the backyard. Explanation. The question asks about connection. He pairs with is plus verb ing. Correct. He is helping his father. Question number 8. We blah 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 a new project this week, so we are quite busy. A. Start. B. Are starting. C. Is starting. D. Starting. The answer is B. Are starting. We are starting a new project this week, so we are quite busy. Explanation. Present continuous can describe temporary actions around present time. We pairs with are plus verb ing. Correct sentence. We are starting a new project. Question number 9. Blah 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 she blah 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 lunch right now. A. Is and having. B. Does and have. C. Is and have. D. Are and having. The answer is A. Is and having. Is she having her lunch right now? Explanation. Yes, no question with singular subject she start with is. Verb uses ing form. Question number 10. The water blah blah blah. Please turn off the stove. A. Boil. B. Boils. C. Is boiling. D. Boiling. The answer is C. Is boiling. The water is boiling. Please turn off the stove. Explanation. Immediate action is happening now. The water is singular, so use is plus verb ing. Correct sentence. The water is boiling. Quick checklist. Time signals we can use now, right now, at the moment, or look, listen, today, this week in present continuous tense. And then for the formula, subject plus to be, am or is or are plus verb ing. Am is for subject I, is for subject she, he, and it. And then are for subject you, we, they. Thank you. And please write your score in the comment section.